Need some Lao whiskey.
แต่งโลมันแตงเน่าไหมน่ะเหล็กไรอ่ะโบนี่ใช้วินน้ำนี่กระเซียงแม่หรือแม่น่ะเซียงเลยฝรั่งดีกูดเด้
Well, I just had some company by some Lao men, and they gave me some Lao whiskey, and they kept going like this, tick, 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 and I was like, "What is this?" And they say, "Your dick very hard." I'm like, "Oh no, I don't want that." He's like, "No, it's okay, only tonight." I'm like, "Okay, well, like, I don't know what they meant by that." And they had some beautiful goat, so nice. It's almost like curry goat, like in Jamaica, similar to that, so nice.
He says shit stuff when he's had a couple of beers.
Alright, here we go. That's good because we put our friendship on the line here.
On the stuff.
Video. Yes.
How about you?
Me too, by myself. You?
Oh, whoops. Unfortunately, I lost a whole day's worth of footage, but the day in Vang Vieng, we wanted to go tipsy tubing. The water levels were too high because it's monsoon season, so we went canoeing down the river instead. 2 people fell in the river. They got saved by 2 Lao men that were with us. The next day, there was a massive flood, so I was on my way to the train station to try and get back to Luang Prabang. And as you can see in the next video, screen recorded from my Instagram because it's the only video I have of it left. I had to walk in this flood because the tuk-tuk could take me no further. And that concludes the Lao trip. And for And just some concluding thoughts. I'd like to say the Lao people I met out there were very hospitable. I was treated to 2 meals by them, on top of the meal I was treated to by the Australians. And on the last day, one of my friends I met there was attacked after a night out by 2 Lao men, but lucky he managed to defend himself to avoid getting mugged. The footage just had to go on the most eventful day, but that's life sometimes. We'll get them next time. See ya.